Welcome back to my channel, Meals with Meals. In this episode I am making German chocolate cake using the Instant Pot or the pressure cooker. Okay, let's start cooking. All the ingredients, I will have it available in the description below, so please check it out. First of all, I'm going to start with adding our flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, baking soda, and that's all our dry ingredients. I will sift that through in the pot, in the pan, in the bowl. I will also add a little bit of the grated koko, Samoan koko. I am not using cocoa powder in this recipe. I am using Samoan koko. But if you don't have Samoan koko, you can use the normal baking cocoa. Okay, so our dry ingredients have been sifted. You just stir it a little bit more to mix them through. I'm now going to add our milk. I'm adding our milk, coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use vegetable oil, olive oil. I have our vanilla essence and our 2 eggs added to the bowl. I'm now going to add about a cup of a hot Samoan koko, the liquid. So I'm adding that. If you don't have, if you're using normal cocoa powder, then you'll be adding just a cup of the hot water. But at this stage, because I'm not using the normal cocoa, I'm using Samoan koko, so I'm just adding the hot liquid Samoan koko into my mix. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to stir that through. I'm not sure if you can see it from there. So I've buttered the inside of the bowl and I've got a baking paper underneath. And transfer our mixture into our pan. We're going to cover our bowl first with foil because we don't want the steam to get into the cake. So do just add little holes on top for the steam to come out. skewer your sides. There we go. We put our lid back on. Okay, we are going to set it on manual. Okay, pressure cooker manual. The timer will be 40 minutes and then we will start. So while our cake is cooking, I will work on preparing our sauce, the German chocolate sauce with the coconut. So I just took our cake out from the Instant Pot, and this is what it looks like inside. So I'll leave it in the pot for about 5 minutes to cool down a little bit, and then I'll take it out of the pan. So, okay. Alright, I'm gonna remove our cake onto a wire rack for us to cool it down. That's what it looks like. Inside a pot, I will add all our ingredients on a very low heat. We will add all the ingredients, 3/4 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of brown sugar I added, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 3 large egg yolks, and 100 grams of butter. So I will add all those together, as well as 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Turn our oven on low heat and we will stir our ingredients. Okay, we are now going to add our coconut, our fresh grated coconut. That's about 1 cup there, and we will stir them around. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, that's the consistency. Like I said earlier on, I am not going to add the pecans because my son's allergic to nuts, so I'm omitting that out of the recipe for his sake. To cool it down before we add it or spread it onto our cake. So our cake has been cooled down for quite some time now. I'm going to remove the paper.
Oh, that looks nice.
Okay, making sure that everything's come off. Okay, we are going to add our frosting. I have someone here visiting the channel. What's your name? Visitor?
My name is Clark.
And how are you related to Mills? You're my pop.
Your pipe.
So for your information, everyone, Clark was helping with scraping the fresh coconut that I'm using for the frosting. So I'll just let the frosting settle on the cake. We are going to cut and see what it looks like inside, and then we will get our special guest here to taste our cake. I'll show you the inside, hey, a bit closer, but let me show the camera what it looks like inside. The frosting is still settling.
Taste it, eh?
What do you think?
It's really nice. You can taste koko Samoa.
You can?
Yeah. It's rich, but it's nice. It's
suppose you can add when you do the frosting. If you don't want it too sweet, you can cut down the sugar. Otherwise, you can squeeze a lemon, probably half a lemon to squeeze in there, so it doesn't taste too sweet. Otherwise, just reduce the amount of sugar that you add to. That's what it looks like inside. Will it take you to the
nut cake?
Yeah, and the inside. What do you think? Is it okay with the koko? The koko Samoa?
Koko's nice.
Or you prefer the normal cocoa?
No, it's a really, because I've tasted, I mean,
With the
normal
normal
German cake, but it just gives it that island taste over that koko. Obviously, we've all experience the koko Samoa. Yeah, no, this is.
We'll take you to the.
Am I supposed to do a rating?
I'm not sure. Are you going to give me a rating or not?
Yeah, no. Happy to do that, I think.
Because I baked this in the pressure cooker for about 40 minutes. So, but what do you think? Is this moist?
Yeah, it's
like we normally do it in the oven. By the way, my oven is broken at the moment, which is why I'm using the pressure cooker. But I'll take a close shots of the cake.
Yeah, no, this will go really well with obviously the koko Samoa or hot chocolate or Milo. But
the topping, if you don't want it too sweet, again, cut down the sugar or squeeze half a lemon and it should be okay. So are you rating me or not really?
the Erica's 15 out of 10. No, it's really nice.
Oh, really?
No, it's really nice. Yeah, really nice.
Be honest with yourself, man.
No,
you sure?
No, seriously, I'm a bit of a sweet tooth, but okay, so I like. No, it's good. Really nice. Thank you.
Getting there with the desserts. Okay, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hope you have a good week ahead. If you like this recipe, let me know. Thumbs up, subscribe, and if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for visiting, and shout out to everyone who have subscribed already and view the videos. God bless and take care. Thanks for watching.
See ya.
See ya.